Good day and welcome back to Essentia Legis LLC. I really appreciate your interest. Today we are going to talk about status correction and jurisdiction, and why it is so important. People often talk about changing their status, but what exactly does that entail? While documents such as affidavits can be helpful in getting started on status correction, they don't offer the bottom line. What I would like to emphasize is that territorial jurisdiction is the most important aspect to the success of a status correction. Territorial jurisdiction has to do with your contractual relationship with the state. When you use state privileges, through an address, car insurance, or license plates and so on, you implicitly give the state territorial jurisdiction over you. Even if a private contract never arose between you and the state, through power they can enforce territorial jurisdiction when you decide to use their privileges. A judge or bailiff, for example, does not acquire jurisdiction through the legal fiction's capital letter name, but rather through the address you confirm to have. On the website of any court in Belgium, you can find a section called Territorial Jurisdiction. Therefore, I prefer not to speak of a status correction, but rather about getting out of jurisdiction. You can only make this choice yourself when it comes to personal jurisdiction. During my own study of territorial jurisdiction, I discovered that the rich are personally in the private for a reason. They often act only from their companies in the public domain, under a trust that is again private. For example, look at the CEO of Amazon. Do you think he himself really owns anything? What the rich can do, so can we, in a perfectly legal way. It's all about knowledge and applying it correctly. While I find no legal basis for so-called status correction, I do find support in studying territorial jurisdiction. Therefore, I highly recommend this. In the future, I will certainly provide more examples to better understand this topic. I'm going to close for today and wish you all a great day ahead. In the description below you will find the details of Essentia Legis LLC. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing.